Let's see what your son had to say about it. In my opinion, the fault of the incident was my dad. This is because he should have been aware of his surroundings. He's a very, very smart young man, I have to tell you. Okay. Mum was pouring wine to the guests of the house as a nice gesture. He's very smart. So if it wasn't for Dad, the night of Christmas wouldn't have been ruined. Mum was also put under pressure during the washing up of the jumper, as Dad wasn't very happy at the time, so I believe we can't blame Mum for the fault of the shrinking jumper. Lesson to Dad: keep out of Mum's personal space.